Rock the boat means to start trouble where none is necessary or welcome. I cause trouble, begin some trouble, even though it's not necessary. Nobody wants me to do it, but I cause trouble. Is one meaning. Another meaning is to interfere in a situation that is stable and satisfactory. The current situation is satisfactory. It's good enough. It's good. And it's stable. Even though it's stable and satisfactory, I disturb the situation. I cause troubles in the situation. I rock the boat. Rock the boat actually comes from rocking a boat. If you've been in a canoe or a small boat, if you're sitting in the boat and you don't move, it's very stable and moves very smoothly in the water. If I start rocking, going left and right into the boat, everybody becomes very nervous in the boat stops, it can tip over and people can fall out. Is to rock the boat. So in the boat we should be very stable and calm and not move to keep this condition, this good condition, satisfactory or stable condition. And rocking the boat would we will lose our stable and satisfactory condition. Is where rock the boat comes from. Rock the boat は日本語で言うと波風を立てる、それか問題を起こすという意味です。Looking at some examples for rock the boat. Number 1, don't rock the boat. Don't cause problems where we don't need it. 2, we have a pretty good life here. Why rock the boat? Things are good. Why are you disturbing that? Why are you causing trouble where things are fine and satisfactory? We want it to stay the same. We don't want it to change. 3, people like me, on the other hand, rock the boat. I have a tendency to rock the boat. Even though everybody seems to be generally satisfied with the situation, I plan to improve it by rocking the boat and getting some changes done. I'm not afraid to rock the boat. 1番目は日本語で言うと余計な揉め事を起こすな。2番目は日本語で言うと私たちは結構いい人生を送っているのになぜ問題を起こすのか。3番目は日本語で言うと一方私のような人間はあえて波風を立てようとします。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And please make a sentence for rock the boat in the comments and I'll check that for you. This idiom will be on the review and test this Friday, so please check for that. If you like my channel, please subscribe and see you next time.